Installation of Go B for Blender ZBrush 2026.1. Now that the file structure for ZBrush has been updated, so the Blender community has been a little behind in updating the Go Z add-on for Blender. So this is what we have for the moment. Go B Blender. This is the GitHub. It says a fork of the original. This is what everybody uses nowadays, except this is the one that does not work with the new file structure. Pull requests, data path changes. So this has not been implemented yet. It's still just a request. But Boozbeard went ahead on his own and made his own fork, a forked fork. So we go to releases, latest release, download the zip, and install it in Blender just like any other add-on. Just waiting. Okay, Go B. Find the add-on over here. So we need the ZBrush path. In Windows, it's going to be over here in your Maxon ZBrush, Maxon ZBrush. This is the folder, accept. That should be it. Well, almost. In terms of Blender, that should be it. As you can see, if you have these up here, so that means the add-on is working. The next, go back to where you downloaded the zip file and unzip it. Heresy. You don't unzip add-ons. Well, this one's a little funny, because Blender has to get along with other kids. So you have to get out of your comfort space sometimes. I copied this folder, if you were paying attention, how I got there. The one that says Blender. And now go to wherever your ZBrush, or sorry, Go Z folder is. So by default, mine got put over here in public, Pixelogic, apps. So that was from before when I already installed it. Over here, I've got, let's say, nothing's here. I just pasted in the one that I copied from before. Now we should be done with Blender. Let's load ZBrush. And while we're waiting, wasn't so difficult, right? Install the add-on, connect the file path to wherever ZBrush lives, unzip the add-on, and copy the Blender folder to your Go Z apps. Now you have to do the same thing over here. Tell ZBrush where Blender is. There's no option just to, as far as I know, to jump straight to browse for the application. ZBrush has to say, no, I can do it. No, I can't. Can you help me? Yes, so I will tell you where. You have to, if you have multiple versions of Blender installed, so just pick the one you use the most, or the one you're planning on using with Go Z. Double click on the extension, the executable rather, And now we should be good to go. Let's test it out. Here in Blender, should I send the default cube? Nah, default cube's boring. Let's send a monkey. How did you know that's what I was gonna pick? All right. Never mind me. Export. Yep. Whoa, that was fast. Here we go. And let's test and see if it really worked. Whoa. This is how I felt after the first time I tried to install GoZ. All right. That work of art that could only be created with the power of ZBrush. Now I'm ready to go back to Blender to do my lighting and rendering. So I have to tell Blender to look for ZBrush by clicking that on. And then let's go, Z. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? And that's it. Sometimes if I would try to go Z and it would send back the original model that I sent to ZBrush. So if that ever happens, I found that saving the tool after you make some changes, that usually fixed the problem. But it seems inconsistent when that, I haven't figured out why that problem happens because over here it didn't happen for me. Anyway, great, now we can get back to making things.